Hey guys, it's your girl Curly Girl Michaela, and today I am back with another video. Please do not mind all this right now. In today's video I'm going to be installing this wig. I've been seeing this wig a lot, and I was like, I really want this wig. So today I'm going to be showing you what the wig is, how I'm gonna put it on, and we're gonna get this on fleek. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, show some love and support, like this video, and let's get to it. All right, so today I will be putting on the Butta Lace, the Butta Lace Unit 3 wig. It is the what lace? It's HD lace, and it is the color is T4 golden brown. And I've been so excited to try this wig on, guys. Like, I've seen this wig, you can get on Amazon, but I got mine on like Hair So Fly. I'm gonna leave the link below. But like, I've been wanting to try this wig forever. Like, look at that color. And guys, this is a synthetic wig, so we're gonna see how this is gonna come out. And it comes with baby hairs. Let's see, let that focus. It comes with baby hairs. I already cut the lace because this is a synthetic wig, and I don't like cutting synthetic wigs on my head. Like, I don't have time for that. And on top of that, I got a kind of a big forehead, so it's like they always lay easy. I don't have to cut it a certain way. So first, before we get started, I'm just gonna put some makeup on the wig because we want the wig to match. It's HD lace. It's very clear. I love HD lace. HD lace is like the best lace to go for. Okay, I'm gonna get my makeup brush. Where's the makeup brush? I'm gonna put some foundation on so we can get this wig to match. Oh, it's all spilling out. I don't want to get no makeup on my dress. This is a new dress. Got it from Fashion Nova. Right, and I'm just gonna apply it like so. I'm gonna go in with my Warm Honey Pro Concealer. Just put some in the middle of that wig. Alright, love, so now I'm going to hot comb the roots of the wig because I don't want too much bumpiness up there. Like, I like my wigs flat at the top, so we're just gonna hot comb that real quick and get to it. You want to make sure you hot comb it like how your mama used to hot comb your hair in the kitchen, okay? For y'all who noticed, yes, I took my makeup off because I wanted to redo the wig because I didn't like how I really did it last time. So this is actually footage from the next day compared to how the video first started, which was from the previous day. But yes, now I am putting on the wig, and I'm just making sure that the wig adjusts properly to my head and that fits and that we're all good. Alright, y'all, so right now I'm going to be using some Got To Be freeze spray and Got To Be glued gel to lay and secure this lace because I like these products best because they really hold my wig down and you want to make sure that wig is laid. And please do not mind my faces. When it comes to my hair, I get serious and I just can't control my faces. So if you're wondering like, why she look mad, why she look angry, it's my facial expressions. After we have applied the Got2b glue and gel, we're just going to use the blow dryer to dry it and just touch it a bit to make sure it's tacky. You do not want to over dry it, and then next thing you know it's hard and crusty, and then you won't be able to apply your wig. So just make sure it's nice and tacky so you can secure it. Alright guys, when first applying lace, you want to start with the top section. Do not, I repeat, do not apply the whole lace down. Start in sections because it will be neater and easier and your lace will lay better. Okay? Okay. Now we are going to apply some spray and some Got2b glue gel on the sides. And remember, make sure that it's tacky, you know, a little sticky. Don't fully dry it or it will not stick. Alright? Guys, please do not mind my face. This blow dryer is so hot. I'm over here like, ooh, it's burning. But you know what? We're gonna get this lace laid. And we're literally just going to repeat the same process for this side. Okay. Alright, I'm just going to touch up any little section that's lifting or that didn't secure properly with some freeze spray. At this point, our lace is fully secured. I'm just going to go in and do some touch-ups and then make sure we look on fleek. And Got2b spray and gel can be so messy, so I would advise you to use some alcohol or some alcohol pads just to clean up any excess crust or stickiness on your skin. And now I'm just going to take a little bit more freeze spray just to make sure my front is not lifting and that everything is secure. And I'm just going to use my blow dryer and comb just to flatten that out so everything is laid. Oh, well, look at that stank face. That's that. I need to get this wig done. So now I am going to take my bandana, I'm going to fold it over and use it to flatten the front of my head so that everything can just lay out smoothly and flat, because you want your wig to lay down flat. And I'm just going to let this sit here for a while. And in the meantime, I'm gonna go do my makeup and look pretty, because I was looking crazy for the rest of this video because I did not want to put makeup, because it's better not to apply makeup when you're putting a wig on. It's better to put your wig on first because it just gets so messy, and that's why I wanted to re-record this video for you guys. Alright loves, this is the finished look. I did my makeup, my face is beat, my hair is laid, so you know we better go out and do the dang thing, okay? No. But tell me what you guys think. Do you like it? I love it. I think it's fluffy, I think it's laid, and I think it looks great. Alright guys, this is the finished look. of our little quick synthetic wig install. I didn't do baby hairs. I was like, I don't got time to do no baby hairs today, but this is the best I did. You know, I ain't no arrogant Tay, but we gonna do what we gotta do, okay? But yeah, this is it. But alright guys, I hope you like this look. I hope you like this wig. Leave a comment down below what you think and if you like it. Alright guys, and if you guys are interested in a pair of lashes, I am currently wearing my baddie lashes and this is how they come. I love these lashes. These lashes will have you looking like a baddie. But alright guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video. Leave your thoughts down below what you think. Alright guys, be blessed. Bye.